In the beginning, humanity's hearts grew distant from the divine light, leading to great sorrow. But amidst the darkness, one man, Noah, walked with God, his spirit uncorrupted and pure. God saw the wickedness and declared a great cleansing, a flood to wash the earth anew. However, Noah found favor, a beacon of hope in the eyes of the Almighty Creator. The Lord commanded Noah to build an ark, a vessel of salvation, immense and sturdy. Year after year Noah toiled, his faith a hammer, his obedience the wood and nails. He gathered creatures great and small, 2 by 2, fulfilling the divine blueprint. The animals boarded, a living tapestry of creation, finding refuge within the sturdy walls. Then the heavens opened and the waters rose, a deluge unlike any seen before. The ark, a steadfast heart, floated upon the angry seas, carrying life's precious cargo.